We start right now with the growing crisis at our southern border. A delegation of House Republicans is heading to Texas today after nearly 300,000 migrants came to the U.S. in December, shattering all previous records.
Border Patrol agents reportedly processed anywhere between 9,000 and 10,000 migrants a day last month. Now the White House is reopening 4 points of entry in Texas, California, and in Arizona. They're expected to be operational again tomorrow. Meanwhile, a bipartisan group of senators met earlier on Capitol Hill in hopes of finding some common ground on a border funding and security bill. NBC News Homeland Security correspondent Julia Ainsley joins us now. So, Julia, are we seeing improvement at the border this week versus last?
Huge improvement. The question is, how long will it last? So you just look at the number of migrants that were processed by Border Patrol on New Year's Day. It was about 2,500. That's down from a 21-day average of over 8,000 migrants. In December, there were days where they were seeing as many as 12,000 migrants, which actually ended up making that a record month in the history of the U.S. Southwest border. So now they're seeing a decrease. But sources I've talked to say, look, let's not be too optimistic. These fluctuations happen. It could be that it went down over the holidays, or now cartels are simply going back, getting more resources and bringing more people up through Central America and through Mexico. So it probably won't be the end of us talking about this subject, I'm sure. But for now, there does seem to be some reduction in traffic. And in fact, Secretary Mayorkas was on Morning Joe today talking about that.
We have sought much needed funding for our efforts to address the situation at the border. More Border Patrol agents, more asylum officers, more immigration judges.
So the fight's not over for the Biden administration, especially as they come up against Republicans to determine what needs to be done over the situation at the southern border.
Can we talk about the courts here, though, Julia, for a minute? Because the White House wants the Supreme Court to step in after an appeals court blocked the administration from actually removing razor wire at the border in Texas. Where does that particular case stand?
Yeah, that's right. This has to do with razor wire, incredibly sharp barbed wire that Texas state government had their patrol, their state troopers put along the Rio Grande to keep migrants from coming across. And Border Patrol thought it was so dangerous that in a lot of cases they had to cut it because of injuries you see like that, people getting hurt on the wire, some people being kept out in dangerous flood waters, risking their lives in the Rio Grande. So they went through and started removing this. Texas sued. Now it's going all the way up to the Supreme Court because the Biden administration wants the Supreme Court to tell the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals that, in fact, they do have the right to remove that razor wire. In the meantime, we expect the arguments in the Court of Appeals to come forward in early February, and it might be that the Supreme Court waits for that to go on to have a ruling in the Fifth Circuit based on those arguments rather than weigh in now. But it seems inevitable the Supreme Court will have to weigh in on this issue and many other legal battles between the Biden administration and Texas over border security.
Yeah, a lot still hanging in the balance this news year. NBC News Homeland Security correspondent Julia Ainsley for us. Julia, thanks.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.